I will apply the prompt engineering technique of generative AI to write a title copy for commercial content, specifically for social media content postings. The product I intend to promote is the first electric car from the Genesis brand of Hyundai Motor Company. In reality, there is a car that was launched as the first electric vehicle under the Genesis brand. I want to apply prompt engineering techniques with the purpose of social media marketing for this car. First, I will deliver the basic contextual information as the first prompt. The product is the EG80, the first electric car of the Genesis brand. The context is that copywriting for social media posts is the content we aim to derive. The objective is to generate interest in the EG80 model and to induce test drives at local dealerships, targeting around May, the month of families. After providing this basic context, I made a request for the title of social media content for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube through a second chained prompt. Then, a list of titles will be derived. After that, using the chain prompt method again, I will request for a more creative and interesting copy, enhancing the copywriting phrase for practical application. Upon accessing Chatgpt, I will deliver the basic contextual information for the product service we want to create a copy for through the first prompt. After providing the context, I will deliver the directive prompt. The purpose of creating this prompt is to write content titles considering the context of this product. Now, the primary title copies for each social media channel have been derived. Let's look at Instagram first. Charge into the family month with style. Meet the electrified G80, Genesis's first EV. And tags. For YouTube, it's introducing the electrified G80. Genesis's first EV journey begins. Experience dynamic elegance this family month. How is it? It seems like a decent copy has been chosen, but I will execute a chained prompt to enhance it a bit more, saying, please write the copy more creatively and interestingly. With the application of this chained prompt, the second copy phrase came out. Compared to the first one, let's review Instagram. The first copy was, charge into the family month with style. Meet the electrified G80, Genesis's first EV. The second one changed to, electrify your family adventures. Witness the unveiling of Genesis's trailblazing EV, the G80. It's not just a car, it's the start of a revolution. Now let's look at TikTok. If TikTok says, feel the pulse of the future, the EG80 is here to electrify your May. Are you ready to drive into a new era? Then, get ready to ride the lightning. The EG80 by Genesis is zapping through the EV scene with style. Catch the electric wave this May. For Genesis YouTube, the first copy was, introducing the electrified G80. Genesis's first EV journey begins. Experience dynamic elegance this family month. And the second is, premiere, the Genesis EG80. Elevate your family month with electric luxury. Dive into the journey of electrification with Genesis's first EV. What do you think? In my view, the initial copy wasn't bad, but if it was considered bland, the second one reflects a more creative and fun tone, resulting in better content. In this way, I conducted prompt engineering to create a copy phrase that can be applied to actual work.